Stop by and take a look at the 2016 M6. M, the most powerful letter in the universe. This barely street-legal M6 is filled with the power usually reserved for the racetrack and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated front seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.